In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage blog tags in HubSpot. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your content, making it easier for readers to find related posts and helping your blog feel more structured. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Content, then select Blog from the dropdown. You'll see a list of all your blogs. Click on the one you want to work with. This takes you to the blog management area, where you can make adjustments to posts and settings. Next, head to the top navigation bar and click Settings. From there, open the Advanced menu. Then go to the General section. Scroll down until you find the Tags section. This is where you can manage your blog tags. If you already have tags, they'll appear here, and you can simply select them for your post. To create a new tag, just start typing the tag name in the input field. Once typed, click Add Tag, and your new tag is applied to the blog post immediately. It's that simple. Using tags effectively keeps your content organized and helps readers discover related posts, boosting engagement and making your blog easier to navigate. And that's how you create and manage blog tags in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your content management strategy.